very pleasant shot to get going for Dwayne Smith. That is one of his better shots.
Dwayne Smith is one of the most destructive players around. There you go, straight over mid-on for another 4.
That could run away for 4 as well. This has been a good start to the innings for Islamabad, 14 without loss. He's out. Hassan Ali has his man. The umpire agrees, and he's a good young bowler, this fella.
Well, it's just pitched on, and you see how Sharjeel is looking leg side with that. Umpire's call, clipping the top of off stump. A very decent delivery, but Sharjeel looking leg side.
That might fly away for 4. A little bit of a waist swing, but there was width on it, and capitalised upon from Haddon. Cleared mid-off easily. Good ball striking here inside this power play from Islamabad United. No ball, so there'll be a free hit in addition to this boundary, and that was picked up from just short of a length.
And there he goes, he's disappeared over cover. Free swing of the blade, and it's away for 4 more. Rambo. Afridi. Oh, and Haddon with some delightful touch. Brings up another boundary here for Islamabad. Give it a heave, Hadster. And boom, it's gone all the way. Boom, boom, getting some of his own treatment. Too often you get the leg by extra, and this one's been pumped. Oh, massive. Oh, the old Chinese cut. Don't say take one and be happy. He's going to take a boundary here. Is Bradley Haddon.
Oh, what a shot that is. Fantastically improvised.
Struck it to every parts of the ground. And now some rain in Dubai, but I tell you what, it is still going.
He's caught hold of this. That's a flat 6. Just a bit too short this time. Good sound of the bat from Brad Haddon. It brings up his half century. He's making his presence felt at the top of the order. The 50 truck comes along for Brad Haddon.
No 50s batting in the middle order.
Swing of the bat. Is it going to find mid-off? It does. Now, has that gone for 6? Has that gone straight from the hands? Oh, he's threaded that over 2 men backward of square. A very delicate touch from Brad Haddon. And how good is this? Oh, that's a marvellous piece of fielding. As Haris Sohail, he's made amends. I'm sure he has. He's stopped a 6. I don't think that's conclusive either way. It's just not conclusive. Oh, the decision is for 6. He's hit that. Yes, he has. Umpire's finger goes up. And Danger Man is going back to the dugout. Brad Haddon, what a good innings that was.
You just made him reach for it. He struck the ball through and over the offside so adeptly in that innings, and a wonderful innings it was, and Jordan just had him reaching for one.
Can't stray down there. That's a bad ball. You just can't go down there. Ooh, that's worth a shout. Back leg. And it's gone for 4 leg byes. But that might still go for 4. It has. It's come off Shane Watson's bat, but it was going so hard it would have gone for 4 straight anyway. But it's ricocheted off the non-striker's bat. Oh, This will go for 4. Smith read it, knew he was going leg side. A very eventful over finishes. 139 for 2, with Islamabad needing 34 from 18.
Good enough. Yes, finds the gap. Wider of the fielder at long off. 50 for Smith. Muscled his way through. Strike rate of 118. But it's been a good innings in the context of the run chase.
Helped a lot by Brad Hatton, who batted superbly, but this man's just batted through solidity. And it seems now that United in the driving seat.
Yeah, in the slot, and that's gone. Up in the top tier. And it's over the waistline, is it? And it's gone for 6.
Oh, added an extra as well. He's going to get another delivery. Junikar. Zick Slick Oil 150 up here. Yeah, above the waist. He's tried to get the Yorker and missed it by miles. And then Watson says, I'll hit you for miles. Air miles.
In this game, that's a full toss, gone down the ground. That's drilled for another 6. It's almost as good as over.
A couple of full tosses from Junaid, and every ball is an event, and this ball has changed it all. Free hit, it's gone for 12, and suddenly United in the driving seat. A low full toss. Watson over long on, easily clearing the rope. United spelling victory.
Torzid was loving it. There with the great Wasim Akram.
Oh yes, he does. Finds the fence on the bounce. On the rampage, he wants to finish it in this over. 18 runs. Miscue should be taken. Long on comes into play. Jordan takes the catch. End of Smith. But he's done his job. 55 from 49. Got the toe end of his bat. 55 of 49 balls. And Islamabad 166 for 3. Just 7 away from their target. Billings is a new man in. Jordan there, getting nicely underneath that one. A lot of ease and confidence. Qatar Airways high flying catch. Important catch. That's cracked through the offside. Rushing back for the second. That's good running. That is neat running. Called early. Went for it, Watson. Oh, that'll do very nicely for the United. That's a smack. Billings finishes off with a blistering pull shot, and that's a wonderful run chase and a very good victory for the United. They richly deserved it. Zalmi stunned by this wonderful run chase.
Yeah, the defending champions, too good here in the opening match here of the second season of the HBL PSL for 2017, courtesy of Billings and Watson seeing out the last rights here. Comfortable in the end with a couple of deliveries to spare. They were looking for 173 inside 18 overs. Have done it in 17.4 and win comfortably by 7 wickets to the men in red.